Believe in yourself because even the smallest step forward takes you closer to your dreams. Good evening, respected parents, teachers, and dear students. With this positive thought, we welcome you all to episode 260 of the Sanskriti School Weekly News Bulletin. This week's bulletin is being delivered by the enthusiastic mass media students who will bring you the latest updates and happenings from our school. From academic news and upcoming examinations to cultural activities and achievements. We have many important highlights to share. We hope you enjoy listening to the bulletin and stay connected with all that is happening at Sanskriti.
Half-yearly examinations for all classes are scheduled to begin from 12 September 2025. To support students in their preparation, revision is being carried out in all subjects. The detailed date sheet and syllabus have already been provided to students in their school albums for review.
COE training for teachers on 13 September. A COE training workshop will be held on 13 September to enhance teachers' skills and classroom practice. Expert trainers will conduct interactive sessions focusing on innovative teaching methods and professional growth.
We are glad to inform you that the SOF Olympiad will be conducted in every subject this year. Interested students are encouraged to participate and showcase their knowledge and skills. Those who wish to take part can give their name to their respective class teacher. This is a wonderful opportunity to test your learning beyond textbook and gain valuable experience.
Registration for classes 9th and 11th along with board classes registration for classes 10th and 12th is currently in progress at our school. All students are required to come to school every day to complete the necessary formality and ensure the timely submission of the registration details.
To help students cope with exam stress, Sanskriti School has launched a tele helpline service. The service will provide guidance and emotional support through the school consultant, psychologist Ms. Kala Mohan. The student can connect through helpline number or email during the service hours 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Saturday. The initiative aims to ensure that children prepare for exam with confidence and well-being with constant support from the school leadership team.
The school has announced that punctuality and proper school uniform are compulsory for all students. These rules must be followed strictly. Students failing to follow the guidelines will not be allowed to attend school.
We come to the close of episode 260 of the Sanskriti School Weekly News Bulletin. We thank the Almighty for His blessing and our parents, teachers and students for their constant support. We look forward to bringing you more updates and achievements in the next episode. Till then, stay positive, stay safe and keep shining.